Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on TaskRabbit. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email on TaskRabbit. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to TaskRabbit. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on account. Then at this point, it might ask you to verify your phone number. So just verify your phone number. Afterwards, click on email. Then this is where you're going to enter your new email. So enter your new email and then click on save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on TaskRabbit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.